Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. We are doing multiplication on the Abacus 2 digits multiply by 2 digits. Please check my another episode for the basic rules to learn in details and lots of technique inside that. Please check my another 7 episodes which are 2 digits multiply by 1 digits. There I explained all techniques which apply in the multiplication. So first you have to learn that, and please come to this 2 digits multiply by 2 digits episode. So let's start. Here is our today's question. 21 multiply by 23. This is the second techniques of 2 digits multiply by 2 digits. So let's do this question first in normal style. So in normal style we write like this and start to multiply from the lowest place. So 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, and it is your answer 4 8 3. So let's do the same exercise on the abacus. In the abacus, you have to start to multiply from the biggest number. So you have to do first 1, 2, and second is this one. So first 1, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. So it means 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You can write. First group is 2 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4. 2 1. 2 multiplied 1 equal to 2. So this is not, my handwriting is not so clean, so please sorry for that, and do not comment on my English language because English is not my mother tongue and I have lots of grammatical mistakes and spelling mistakes, pronunciation mistakes. Forgive me about that. I respect all countries, all languages, all cultures. So this video is only for education, not for comedy. So please, I can teach you this one. I have that confidence. So please do not comment on my English language. The second group is 3 2. 3 2 equal to 6 and 3 1. 3 1 equal to 3. So let's place these answers on the abacus. So here, count all the digits in the questions. 1 2 3 4. This is my marked rod. Take your position to the left side. 1 2 3 4 and place your left side pointer finger on that rod, and this will be your tens position to place the answer, and this tens position is changed every time. Why and how, I will explain that later. And start to place answer. 2 2s are 4. So in this rod you have to put only tens place answer, but 4 is only one digit, means it's a ones place, so 4 goes to this rod. But in hurry, kids do like this. 2 2s are 4. Okay, and change, and next. No, you have to put 0 in front of 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4, and convert that 4 into 0 4, and you have to say like this 0 4. So this won't be mistake. So try this technique, okay, and change your this pointed rod, and we place this answer. And next is 2 2 1 is 2. Again one digit, you have to say 0 2, 0 in this tens position, yes, and 2 goes here, okay, and change. So we finish this first group. So next is second group, but for second group you have to change your pointer finger one more time. Why? Because for the first time when we started, there are 4 digits. So 1 2 3 4. but we finished this one too. Okay, so remain is only 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So this is pointed rod. You have to count it from here. 1, 2, 3, and we have to start from this rod. You can remember this technique in 2 ways: from first group, second group, or from here. Okay, first group from 1000 position, because we have 4 digits, and for second group we have only 3 digits. So that is why we have to come down 1 rod down. So we have to start from 1 rod down. So please do not confuse. So this starts from here. 3 twos. 3 twos are 6. So 6 is 1 digit. Put 0 in front of it, and 0, 6, and 0, 6. So for 6, we don't have 6 values. 5 plus 1 is 6. So you have to do like this and change it. You have to change your pointer finger. Okay, and next is 3, 1. 3, 1 equal to 3, 0, 3. Okay, don't forget to put 0, 0, and 3, and change your position. And look, this is our marked rod, and we came to marked rod means we finished. Now you have your answer on the abacus, and your answer is 4, 5, and 3, 8, and 3. 4, 8, 3. Check. 4, 8, 3. Okay, so 21 multiplied by 23 equal to 4, 8, 3. There are some questions on your screen. Please try to do that. If you get confused, please comment me. I will provide a video for that. And if you like this video, please like. And if you want notification, please subscribe my channel. And if you dislike this video, please write down in your words, and your comments is very important for me to improve my tutorial. Keep learning. See you in next episode. Ta-da!